Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So guess what? Today we're gonna change cabin air filter. You need to do this to your car. Every so often you need to do this to your car, because if you don't change this on your car, you might be getting yourself sick or triggering your sinus or allergies. So you come in your car, you start smelling, the car smell a little weird, or smoking, or just any scent in your car. First thing first, this is a Volkswagen. You want to go ahead, the Volkswagen, you're gonna have it in the glove box, and this is a Passat, not a Passat, this is a Jetta, I should say. So you're gonna have this tab right here, one right here on this side and one over here on this side. So you want to squeeze both up at the same time, and then this gonna come down. So once that come down, you're gonna have these tabs. You want to squeeze. You have one right here, one right here, and one right here. So you want to squeeze them down just like that. So when you squeeze them down, it unhook these from here. But once you're there, you'll figure it out. And then you want to lift up on it to take it out the hook from the bottom. As you see, airflow down, so you want to make sure you put your airflow down. This is the filter I have. You can see how dirty the filter is. So by the way, this is a good filter to have in your car. So this is your new filter right here. Go ahead and remove this. Find your airflow arrow. You want to find that arrow. It's going to be right here. And make sure the arrow is pointing down, just like the way you take it out. Because what it does is suck the air down and then push it in the vehicle. You can look inside there to see if you see any dirt or dust or any stick. Like this, I see this. I'm gonna hold it and pull it out. Because if this get down to the fan, it will make noise. And you don't want no noise coming from your blower. Go ahead and install it just like that. Once that's done, make sure it sits properly inside the housing. So it should look like this. And once it look like that, guys, you want to go ahead and head down below the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit like for me. Thank you guys, I really appreciate that. You want to get back this cover right here. Make sure you put it back down in here, and once that's done, you can just push it back over, push back each side, and that's it, guys. That's how you change your cabin air filter. Go ahead, put this back up. Oh, this might come off on the side. That's no big deal. You just set this like that. You just make sure you rotate this and just push this in. And that's how you solve that part. You can go ahead, lock this back in here, and then you close it, make sure it works. So it worked. Go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time. So one more tip, if your glove box doesn't damp when coming down like that, if you just drop down hard, just that thing that you rotate to put this in, just go ahead and take it back down, rotate it one full resolution, put that back through it, and you should be okay. Alright guys, peace out, see you next time.